welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson we'll be having a look at Oh Such a Spring by Fontaines D.C. Now this is a really good song for practicing your picking and it's got some very nice chords in, so let's take a closer look.
Let's have a look at the chords used first of all. We start on an E flat minor. This is followed by a B flat minor triad before playing A flat minor. Next, we have an F sharp major. We end this sequence with E flat minor, C sharp and B. For the chorus, we repeat E flat minor 7, C sharp and B. Up to speed, you should have For the bridge, we have some interesting chords.
Thanks for watching, I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, please comment, like, share and subscribe. Thanks!